this. Fred Hisi, he's a former federal prosecutor, and Anahita Sedaghatfar, she's a criminal defense attorney. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thanks for having me.
Appreciate it. All right. So the 6 countries impacted right now are Iran, Libya, Syria, Somalia, Sudan, and Yemen. And this exception that was made has to do with people who can have a credible claim of bona fide relationship with someone in the U.S. That includes a spouse, parent, child, or sibling, or fiancé. Anahita, your thoughts?
I don't think that this is going to go anywhere. I think we're going to see more and more challenges like this. But the reality is that the state of Hawaii is asking the judge to more broadly define close family ties. And obviously, they want it to be far more encompassing. But the problem is that the United States Supreme Court, it's the highest court in the land, and they've already ruled. They've ruled that the president has the executive power to issue executive orders like this. And so with that comes the discretion and the authority to define the terms that go within that executive order. So they might not like the way the administration defined it, but the Supreme Court has spoken, so I don't think it's going to go anywhere.
Yeah, we'll find out in October possibly when they hear it. So let's move to this next case. Tennis star Venus Williams, she's facing a lawsuit following a fatal car crash that happened. The crash is under investigation, but the thing is she has not been charged with anything, no citations, no traffic violations, nothing at all. Anahita?
Yeah, this is an unfortunate accident. I agree with Fred, but I don't see any criminal liability here. You would have to show recklessness. You would have to show a conscious disregard for the safety of others. And the police report, they found her at fault, but they said there were no drugs in her system. There was no alcohol in her system. She was only going 5 miles an hour. So yeah. I don't see criminal liability. I certainly see civil liability, and she's going to have to pay quite a bit.
Yeah, she did express her condolences. Thank you both for joining us.
Absolutely.
Appreciate it. A lot of breaking news today. Have to cut you off.
Thanks for having me, and
thank you for having me.
We'll be right back.